Hey guys, it's Dan with the Crown Brotherhood. We just finished up our trip up in the southern part of the Ozarks, and there's a new product I want to do a review on. I just picked it up this week. I got it from Josh. I said in the other video it was too big to run in his Jeep, so he sold it to me, and I'm pretty excited about it. It's a Maxi Trac Napa dual head compressor. I've got it hard mounted in this Plano case just for modular storage. Comes with the compressor, a quick connect fitting, and I'd say what, a 25-foot hose?
Yeah, it's at least 20 feet long.
25, maybe 30. It'll reach all the way around the vehicle. So we're going to do a test on see how long it takes to air up all 4 of these 37s. We're at 20 psi and we're going to go to 34, maybe 35. So I'll start a timer here and we'll see. All right. So I'm going to start it right here. There you go. I think it's on wide pan so you can see the whole Jeep. Yeah, as y'all can see, this thing is long. Alright, so that was a 2 minutes and 21 seconds just to do one tire. That's unwinding it, hooking it up and everything. So we're going to do the other 3 now. We're right at 3 minutes, and that's with me pausing, running my mouth. 2 minutes and 20 something seconds, I think it was there. We go from 20 to 33 or 34. It's not bad at all. 7 minutes 38 seconds. And again, that was me doing it individually, running back and forth, you know, as the compressor comes. You could cut this line, splice it, and do a 4-way and do them all at once, and I'm sure it'd go a lot faster. But for what was this thing, 125 bucks?
I got it on sale, but yeah, they're normally like 130 or so, 150.
$130, $150 compressor. That's not bad for 37s from 20 to 33 psi, 32 psi. That's not bad at all. That's pretty quick. And just roll it all back up, put it back in the case.
So if you want to add it in later, currently the Napa brand, they don't sell it like this anymore under that name brand. It's actually sold under Napa brand. It's $150.
Okay, so
and then there's one called Thor's Lightning that's up $240, and it looks like exactly the same compressor.
So they don't sell this one anymore, apparently.
It's just a different color and it has Napa on it.
It's a different color, it has Napa on it, same compressor. All the stats seem to be the same. And it's 150. So, but yeah, roll it all up, stick it back in there.
I mean, from next to the Jeep, it literally sounds like a shop compressor, like a little shop compressor running.
And it will fit in the, hold on, what is it? The Apache case, the 4800 Apache, and it'll fit in the one size smaller, but it's real tight. I don't know if you can get your hoses and cables in there. It will fit. I tried to stick it in mine. I didn't have time to drill all the holes in that one because it was so tight. So I had this case laying around and stuck it in there. But easy, affordable, and it works really well. So y'all keep an eye out for those when they're on sale and picking them up if you can. So until next time, we'll see you.